Hello students, welcome. Today we are going to see the preparation of aldehydes. Aldehydes means the functional group CHO. First preparation is Rosenmund reaction. How the Rosenmund reaction, that is an acetyl chloride reacts with the hydrogen in presence of palladium slash BaSO4 catalyst gives aldehydes. The first reaction, see this. CH3 C double bond O Cl. This is called acetate chloride. Is hydrogenation take place in presence of Pb slash BaSO4 catalyst gives CH3 COCH plus HCl. Here the catalyst plays an important role. That is, the reaction, the barium sulfate acts as a catalytic poison to palladium catalyst, so that the aldehydes cannot be reduced into alcohols, because the reduction preparation reaction, the hydrogenation take place. That means the catalyst that speed up the reaction up to the aldehyde. Then further it does not rest. Further, if we don't control this, it will reduce into alcohols. So in order to prevent that reaction, the BaSO4 act as a catalytic poison. So this is Rosenmund reaction. Second one is Stephens reaction. That is the conversion of cyanides into corresponding aldehydes in presence of SnCl2 catalyst. So CH3C triple bond N react with the stannous chloride slash HCl in acidic medium. That gives CH3 CH, the hydrogen will go and attach here, and another hydrogen also go and attach to nitrogen. So the bond will become single bond, and the hydrolysis take place and gives CH3 CHO plus NH3. This is called Stephens theory. That is, cyanides are converted into aldehydes. Third one, aromatic benzene. How will you prepare the aromatic aldehydes? So you take first toluene. Toluene is reacted with the chromyl chloride and it undergoes a reaction, forms an intermediate compound, that is benzene. Here the CH3. So you place here H and write the other O, Cr, next an O, then Cl2, the one H. So slash bracket 2 and followed by hydrolysis, it gives aromatic aldehydes. Next one is Guttermann's reaction. This reaction is called Etrog reaction. Next one is Guttermann reaction. Guttermann reaction means the conversion of benzene into aldehydes, that is in presence of carbon monoxide and HCl. So at the aluminum chloride used as a catalyst, so the benzene is converted into aldehydes. So this is called Guttermann's reaction. Third one is, this reaction is very important, that is chlorination, by using chlorination and followed by hydrolysis. So the methyl benzene, that is toluene, is chlorinated by chlorinating agents such as chlorine, and it reacts with the chlorine. So CHCl2. Next followed by hydrolysis at 327 Kelvin gives aromatic aldehydes. Hope you understand this section. Thank you.